Ever wondered how you can turn 3D art skills into real income beyond big studios? It's all about focusing on clear, finished results clients actually want, like photorealistic product images, or maybe animated spokespeople or game-ready characters clients will use right away. Instead of just saying, "I do 3D art," you offer packages that solve specific problems. You meet a client need with clear, outcome-focused work. Standing out from generalists in 3D, there are 3 smart ways to earn: custom client services, digital products, or building an audience. Offering custom client services helps you learn what customers want and build experience. Then, turn your best client requests into digital assets or courses for passive income. Freelance 3D modelers might specialize in stylized props or printable miniatures for games. Others create architectural visualizations or vivid book covers, expanding their niches. Animation, product visualization, and animated spokesperson videos are also high in demand right now. The key is picking a niche, keeping organized, communicating clearly, and pricing work properly. Using tools like Blender, Character Creator, or iClone with a strong portfolio boosts your chances. Ready to turn your 3D art into a steady revenue stream? Start by defining your offer. Deliver outcomes clients value most, and build the career you want, one finished 3D project at a time. Please like and subscribe to 3dartschool.com. Thanks for watching.